Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best IT calculators that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Texas Instruments TI-34 MultiView scientific calculator. This is a fantastic option for users who need robust scientific functionality at a mid-range price point. The standout feature of this calculator is its 4-line display, which allows you to scroll and edit inputs seamlessly. It also features math print mode, enabling you to view fractions, square roots, and above, and exponents in textbook-style notation, a great advantage for students and professionals alike. In terms of design and build quality, the TI-34 MultiView features a durable yet lightweight construction that's easy to carry around. Its combination of blue and white accents gives it a clean, professional look. The pull-down menus and centralized mode settings make it highly user-friendly, mimicking the interface of higher-end graphing calculators. Performance-wise, this calculator excels at handling fractions, scientific notation, and exploring table values for functions. It's perfect for high school math courses and introductory college-level work. However, it lacks the advanced graphing capabilities seen in higher-tier models, limiting its use for more complex applications. Overall, the TI-34 MultiView offers excellent value for its price and is ideal for students who need reliable calculations in a familiar format. At number 4, we have the Texas Instruments TI-36X Pro Engineering Scientific Calculator. This model is specifically designed for advanced high school and college courses where graphing calculators might not be allowed. The multi-view display is a game changer, showing multiple calculations on a single screen. Another highlight is the math print functionality, which renders complex expressions like stacked fractions and pi in textbook-style notation, making it intuitive for students. The TI-36X Pro boasts a sleek and compact design with a solid black finish. It's slightly heavier than some of its counterparts, but feels sturdy in hand, ensuring durability for daily use. Its button layout is well organized, making it easy to access critical features like fraction conversion and alternate representations for decimals and terms. Performance-wise, this calculator shines with a variety of advanced functions, including statistical calculations, trigonometry, and even biological computations. The ability to toggle between degrees and radians, along with floating fixed number modes, makes it versatile for a range of disciplines. The only downside is that it lacks graphing capabilities, but for $18.41, it's an exceptional choice for non-graphing curricula and students who need a reliable, high-functioning scientific calculator. At number 3, we have the Texas Instruments TI-30XS Scientific Calculator. This model is a tried-and-true favorite among students and professionals, offering robust scientific capabilities at an affordable price. The 2-line display is particularly useful, allowing users to view both the entry and the calculated result simultaneously. It handles a wide range of calculations, including logarithms, antilogarithms, and statistical functions. Additionally, you can switch between 3 angle modes: degrees, radians, and grads. The TI-30XS features a sleek black design with blue accents, giving it a professional look that stands out from other budget calculators. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry in your bag or pocket. Powered by both solar and battery, it ensures reliability even in low-light conditions. The button layout is intuitive, and the calculator feels responsive and well-built. Performance-wise, this model is perfect for basic to intermediate scientific computations. While it lacks advanced features like math print or graphing capabilities, it's a solid choice for high school students, entry-level college courses, and professionals who need a reliable tool for everyday calculations. Its longevity and simplicity make it a great value despite its missing price tag, and it remains a bestseller in its category. Coming in at number 2 is the Texas Instruments TI-30XS MultiView Scientific Calculator. This is the budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $16.99, but don't let its affordability fool you. It packs an impressive set of features. The multi-view display allows users to enter and compare multiple calculations on the same screen, making it perfect for exploring patterns and critical problem solving. With the ability to toggle between fractions and decimals and explore XY tables, it's an excellent tool for both students and educators. Design-wise, the TI-30XS is lightweight and compact, with a clean blue and white finish. Its buttons are responsive, and the layout feels intuitive, which is a must for beginners and younger students. While it's not as durable as some of the higher-end models, it's perfect for light use in classrooms or study sessions. Performance-wise, this calculator does a fantastic job handling basic to intermediate scientific calculations. The math notation display is accurate and easy to understand, making complex equations more accessible. However, it's not suitable for advanced coursework like calculus or statistical analysis. For under $20, the TI-30XS is a phenomenal value and a great first scientific calculator for students on a budget. Finally, at number 1, we have the Texas Instruments TI-34 CE Color Graphing Calculator. If you're looking for the best of the best, this premium model is worth every penny of its $95 price tag. The high-resolution full-color backlit display is a standout feature, allowing users to graph and analyze data with stunning clarity. With horizontal and vertical split-screen options, 14 interactive zoom features, and preloaded apps, this calculator is built to handle the most demanding math and science coursework. In terms of design, the TI-34 CE is sleek and modern, with a lightweight yet durable build that can withstand years of classroom use. Its rechargeable battery is a huge plus, ensuring you won't need to constantly replace batteries. The button placement is intuitive, and the overall interface is user-friendly despite its advanced features. Performance-wise, this calculator is unmatched. It's ideal for high school AP courses, college STEM classes, and even professional applications. The Math Prid feature makes working with complex equations and graphs straightforward, while the Python programming capability opens doors to coding and advanced computational tasks. The only downside is its price, but for those who need a powerhouse graphing calculator, the TI-34 CE delivers exceptional value and versatility. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.